Well, here we are, July 3rd. I'm taking cutting the limbs off this part that broke. And unfortunately, I got my chainsaw stuck in the tree. So I've disconnected the saw to take the weight off the blade. I did drop one of the nuts on the ground, so I have to find that. There's the chainsaw. So now to find that. Whoop, I see it. I did see it. Got it. This is not my first time getting the bar caught in a tree. Back in Jersey, I got this thing stuck pretty good, which is why I have a second bar and a second chain. So right now I'm going to try the bar, this digging bar, to get the chainsaw bar out. Let's see how I do. That limb has to weigh a couple hundred pounds. Get the bar out. It doesn't look to be too bent or bent. Chain out. Doesn't look the worse for wear. wood. What was that, about 16 foot, 18 foot? And I didn't realize how much more there is inside there. So I got more cutting to do in there. I wish I knew what kind of wood this was. Hate to cut up something that might be valuable to use for firewood. I don't know whether the tractor can pull that. We'll see. For right now, I'm going to put the chainsaw back together.